Class 11 Paragraph Suggestion. Number 1. Visit to a book fair. Number 2. A film you have recently enjoyed or seen. Number 3. Importance or values of sports and games. Number 4. Online class or online education or digital learning. Number 5. Internet or mobile use and abused. Number 6. Friendships. Number 7. The achievement of Indian women in sports. Number 8. Tolerance. Number 9. Safe drive, save life. Number 10. Sobud Sathi or Konyasri Prokalpo. Number 11. COVID-19 or coronavirus. Number 12. Life in lockdown. Number 13. Your favorite books or person or author or teacher. Number 14. Your hobby or aim in life. Number 15. A memorable day. Number 16. Bad effect of mobile games on students and youths.